So, just a few months after launching the Pixel 9 series, Google's upcoming Pixel 10 series is already generating excitement, with leaked details shedding light on its potential features and codenames. The Pixel 10 itself reportedly carries the codename Frankel, while additional models are expected to follow, hinting that Google may continue the multi-device approach seen in the Pixel 9 lineup. According to Android headlines, the Pixel 10 lineup could feature 4 distinct models: the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and Pixel 10 Pro Fold, codenamed Frankel, Blazer, Mustang, and Rango, respectively. Adding to the anticipation around the Pixel 10 series is Google's development of its in-house Tensor G5 processor, which is expected to power these devices. Unlike previous Tensor processors based on Samsung's Exynos architecture, the Tensor G5 is rumored to be Google's first fully in-house chip. Reports indicate that the G5 has reached the tape-out stage, meaning the design is finalized and ready for production and testing. This suggests that Google may be planning to introduce another foldable option in the Pixel family. Further fueling speculation, another leak revealed a codename for the Pixel 9a, labeled Tegu. Expected to launch in May 2025, the Pixel 9a would maintain Google's tradition of offering a budget-friendly model. Set to join the Pixel 9 series, it will provide consumers with a more affordable smartphone equipped with core Pixel features. The Tensor G5 is also expected to use TSMC's advanced 3nm N3E technology, a streamlined process that promises to enhance both performance and energy efficiency. As Google prepares to expand its Pixel lineup with the Pixel 10 series, fans and tech enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting more concrete details. So what are your thoughts on the upcoming Pixel 10 series? Share your opinions in the comments below. And as always, I'll catch you in the next video.